Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's very good.
It is?
Very good.
What does it taste like?
Did you taste it?
No.
Why?
I don't know.
She doesn't want
You
to
should
taste
bottle it up first.
It's delicious. No wonder why they love it so much.
What does it taste like?
It's just a delightful nectar.
Wait, can you name that one a delightful nectar? That's what you're gonna name for your new album for New York.
Do you want to try it?
No, I don't want to try
You
it.
really want to try it?
I can even have more.
Yeah, you try it.
I
Maybe
have.
you try it.
You have? What's it taste like?
How did you not try it?
Sweet.
Maybe you try it.
Alright.
Come on, Pat.
On the
Give
spoon.
him some.
We're all trying your breast milk. I'm gonna sit here.
Come on, Lauren, just to say you could try it. It's delicious.
I feel so much closer
It's
to you right
delicious.
now.
It's delicious. Don't be afraid.
There's gonna be nowhere for the baby. We're gonna drink it all.
It's not bad at all.
It's delicious.
It's good. It's not bad.
Dying.
You
Sure,
could
it's not bad.
bottle this and sell it.
Do you want to try it?
I guess
It's
so.
sweet. It does. It
Peer
tastes
pressure.
sweet. It tastes sweet. Look at her.
No wonder why she wants it all the time.
Yeah. Almost.
Now really, it's delicious. It's a very light, sweet nectar.
Wow. You're sweet. I'm gonna put this away before we all
That's funny.
Before you.
Very good. I'm
before
very
we all
proud of
finish
you.
your breast milk.
Hang on.
I'm proud of you
Such a
guys.
good mommy.
You're
Thank
such
you
a
for
good
sharing
mommy, you are.
I'm so proud of her.
That was great.
Let's